Hello and welcome to Prudent Media News. Now a look at the top stories. Vishwajit Rane celebrates Sanjua with Congress, jumps in Congress well, resigns as MLA and minister, sworn in again with same portfolios. Vishwajit's entry a boost for Congress. Will the party be able to keep a tab on the troublemaker? A Prudent Media special report. Home Minister and DGP Bassi grilled over drug nexus case. DGP assures to record statement of Lucky Farmhouse if needed. People enjoy Sanjua with enthusiasm, celebrate the feast of Saint John the Baptist in spite of heavy showers. And GFA Secretary Savio Messias enjoy World Cup experience in South Africa. Vuvuzela should be banned, says Messias. And now the news in detail. Former Walpoi MLA Vishwajit Rane on Thursday once again joined the Congress party. Later he was sworn in as cabinet minister. Earlier Vishwajit resigned as MLA and minister. GPCC President Subhash Shirodkar said joining of Vishwajit will strengthen the Congress. Chief Minister Digambar Kamath said he will allot same portfolios to Vishwajit.
Vishwajit had left Congress in 2007 after he was denied Congress ticket to contest 2007 Assembly election from Walpoi constituency. He was General Secretary of Congress before he left the party. Vishwajit Rane on Thursday morning submitted his resignation as MLA and minister. In the afternoon, he joined Congress and later he was sworn in as a minister.
As a Congress party joined the lesser. आणि काँग्रेस पार्टीचे मेंबरशिप फॉर्म भरला असा बा विश्वजित राणे हे जॉईन झाले कारणान एकंदरीत सगळ्या नॉर्थ गोयात काँग्रेस एकदम बळकट आणि स्ट्रॉंग जातले आता दुबावच ना
as committed as mentioned by Mr. Shirodkar, my joining of the Congress party is absolutely unconditional. There is no question of any conditions. I am happy to work as a worker of the Congress party. And the whole idea of joining the Congress party was helping the organization strengthen itself in whatever way I can contribute and giving stability to Shri Digambar Kamath's government in Goa, which is the need of the hour. And I will be working towards whatever way I can contribute as a congressman to strengthen the Congress party as per the directives of the Chief Minister and Party President.
I welcome Vishwajit Rane in the Congress party.
What ministry? The ministry
We will continue with the same portfolios.
When media persons asked Subhash and Kamath whether they will seek resignation from Vishwajit and Babush, as both these Congress ministers have been charge-sheeted, they said that High Command is aware about it.
ज्यांना नार्वेकरांचे चार्जशीट फाईल केले त्यांना तुम्ही ताका काढिल्ले तुमच्याकडे दोन मिनिस्टर बाबूश आणि विश्वजित आता भितर आयला त्यांचे चार्जशीट ऑलरेडी फाईल केले
Party खबर आहा डिसिजन घेवचे पयलीं party was made aware of that.
I think High Command is aware of this. High Command is aware of this. I think.
High Command is aware they are charge sheeted and still they are endorsing.
High Command is coming down. You just better interact with him. एक हफ्ता. They're coming down mostly. Okay. You also can ask him. Of course, I will.
Although the strength of Congress in the assembly has not gone up, Vishwajit's entry has buried many of their worries. Sources also say that early election might be on the cards with stronger and mightier Congress. Our principal correspondent Murari Shetty with video journalist Anil Sanadi for Prudent Media.
The Congress party is having a sigh of relief following Vishwajit's entry. The prince had an important role in most of the toppling bids against Digambar Kamath government. Now with his induction, Congress leaders hope that they will be able to keep a tab on this master troublemaker.
Vishwajit Rane contested the last assembly elections as an independent candidate from his Walpoi constituency following refusal of candidature by the Congress party. With a royal legacy of serving India's oldest party behind him, the Yuvraj of Sattari preferred his legislature status over the party loyalty. He resigned and contested the election. From then onwards, the political journey of this little dynamite has been a nuisance for the Congress with series of results. He spearheaded the second revolt against Digambar Kamath government. This was the revolt which witnessed the birth of an entity called G7. The group couldn't stay together even for a week after its formation. Members of the group alleged that Vishwajit Rane ditched them and rubbed shoulders with Congress leaders in Delhi. They claim this move of Vishwajit fizzled out the revolt. Baba, as he is fondly known in his constituency, later became a prominent member of all the pressure groups, constantly being an element of irritation for the ruling coalition. He continuously pressurized the government in all possible ways, and with no party affiliation and organizational compulsion, he acted at his own fiefdom. But he succeeded in creating an aura of himself in almost 4 constituencies. His efficient style of functioning and proficient attitude towards his own constituency multiplied his popularity manifold. His brainchild, Sattari Yuva Morcha, is one of the largest youth organizations in Goa, with following and members growing each passing day. Finally, Congress with all its might and power has succeeded in taming the flamboyant prince of Goan politics. His entry will definitely give a boost to the party. On the contrary, things will not be the same for the junior Rane. Same portfolios, same chief minister, but an additional by-election to face and lots of less freedom is something the ambitious MLA will have to live with. Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Time for a short break. Stay tuned for more news.